Hi, Jeff White from White's. This is a 09 diesel with 232,000 Ks. It's got a compact 47 PDO in it with about 2,800 hours. We sold this originally, and this is in top condition. The body in particular, automatic diesel it is. And for those that don't know, with the PDO, the beauty of the PDO is obviously this is a low van, you can get in anywhere. So with the motor running, and I've got my, you would have seen in previous videos, we've got our 2-speed remote control here. So any night work, you obviously run your lights, etc. And on that note, it is a 3-seater as well, fully sealed cargo barrier. So with the motor running, we just engage to remote, and then we start taking control of the truck mount with the remote. A lot of room in there. I'll open up the back in a second, but they're fabulous. There's about 40 of these in Australia. We just go to the back. We come round the back. If you're working at night time, in particular, there's your hookup, there's your pressure and your vac and your pump out. Probably the only truck mount you could truly work at night because it's so quiet and it's fully locked up. They only burn about 2.5 litres an hour when they're running. You know, incredibly economical. And here's the bonus. You've got all this room all the way through. But this won't last because this, I know the owner and he's looked after it. You can see in the body, it's a clean skin, but it's drive away ready to work. It will be roadworthy and everything else, but it's pretty much a pleasure to sell this one. It's in fantastic condition. Thank you.